Here's a step-by-step tutorial video on how to attempt quizzes on the Uolo Learn app. From the Uolo Learn app homepage, select the Speak option. Next, click on Practice Quiz to open Quizzes page. A roadmap like this will open up. From here, the student can click on all the quizzes that have been unlocked. After selecting the quiz, click on Start Quiz. Answer the questions by selecting the most appropriate option. Please note that there can be audio-based questions, matching exercises, or even fill in the blank questions. After selecting an option, click on Check to see if you answered correctly. Next, click on Continue to move to the next question. Students can get a mix of all types of questions according to their grade level. Follow the same steps. Check the answer and then click on Continue. If a child answers 3 questions correctly in a row, they get a pop-up like this. Click on Continue to move to the next step. In this type of question, the students must listen to the audio and choose the word that aligns with it the most. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to attempt the quizzes on the Uolo Learn app.